Yeah, he's super hungry. And he doesn't even notice me at all. Yes, that is a lid from a soft drink carton. So, our container, a soft drink lid from like a 7-Eleven or something. And then his water is a coffee lid lined with plastic. If you ever ride in one of my Ubers, if you're a rider of mine, you'll know that plastic. And things have gotten askew. Kitties are trying to burst out. Pains, serenity. Bam, there we go. That helps. I'm videoing myself apparently. And my breakfast. So, yay. Kind of looks like a mask back there. Weird. Well, this is this little guy. Look at this little guy. He's super cute. Yeah, this is his container of food.